Yo, what's good, YouTube viewers, bloggers, that piff listeners, dope deuce, that damn fool supporters, man. Don't be talking about a nigga shirt being off shit, just cooling it. Sitting in the lab trying to get some shit accomplished, you know what I'm saying? Just wanted to keep y'all updated, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all know what was going down. August the 15th. Fuck with the Flow Volume 2, The Birth of Dope Deuce. That shit will be dropping on y'all, you know what I'm saying? So be on the lookout for that. It's gonna be on that Piff. That shit gonna be on Tweet My Music, so that's a little free look, you know what I'm saying? Shit, a nigga just grinding. What more can I say? You know what I'm saying? I'm out here doing what I can do. You know what I'm saying? While I can do it. And to my true fans, my legitimate fans, true supporters, man, I appreciate y'all, man. I really do. And I just want to take this time to say thank y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because without y'all, what would I be? Anyway, like I said, new projects coming soon, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with the Flow Volume 2, The Birth of Dope Deuce. After that, the mixtape is just, I'm dropping, it's going to be my own shit, my own little old shit, my personal project. If y'all haven't checked it out yet, listen to The Deuce. That's my shit that I got out right now. A little promo joint. I'm in the works of getting that so that I'm going to be exclusive rights, you know what I'm saying? To the people that have heard me before, you know what I'm saying? When y'all hear this shit, y'all going to be like, damn, this nigga is on some different shit. It's not the fact that I'm on some different shit. I'm not changing my style at all. It's just a growth. You know what I'm saying? In the meantime, between you grow. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, you accept the change how it is. I'm not changing to impress a nigga. I'm not changing to say, hey, I'm not still that same street nigga, that same hood nigga that still give you that same shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm still that nigga. But I'd rather be speaking with a purpose, you know what I'm saying? I give you something to listen to, give you something to think on. But other than that, shit, follow me on Twitter, at Mr. Dope Deuce, you know what I'm saying? Find me on Instagram, The Real Dope Deuce. Like my Facebook page. Hell, find me on SMD. Sorry, my bad. Fuck that shit up. SODMG.com. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know you could set your own little blog site. Nigga got a little blog on there. Follow me on there. You know what I'm saying? I'm keeping this shit on there to show you niggas fuck up. You know what I'm saying? This is a real life experience. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate that shit. Nothing else to say. I do. No lie.